Alright, are you having trouble with your Maytag washing machine not wanting to wash? This is how I make mine wash clothes. It needs a new control board. And on the control panel here, to enter the service tech mode or whatever, you just go 1, 2, 3 in a row on these buttons. And it doesn't matter what order or what buttons that you're pushing. Just do it in the same order 3 times and you'll get into that. Hit the delay start button twice and it brings you into the service settings. I go here number 4 for service diagnostics and number 2 for component activation, and it gives you a list of all the different things that you can manually activate. So it's been a couple of months and this is how I wound up doing my laundry at this machine. That right here, that's for the cold water. Then over there, that hose is for the hot water. So I don't let the machine do anything automatically. This is up in March now. I got this thing like 5 months ago or something. That pressure transducer switch does work after cleaning it. You'll see here in a minute that this thing's going to sense that it's in an overfill state and it's going to act accordingly and start dumping the water. You see there, it's showing that that pressure switch does indeed work. I'm going to drain a little bit of that and I'll put a stop to it. But I can't trust this thing to do laundry by itself. It'll wind up just dumping the water, not scrubbing. Stop banging those plates. If it does actually try to scrub, the thing just moves like about a quarter of the agitator moves just about a quarter of a turn back and forth. It doesn't really actually clean or agitate anything. So what I do is to get into the main menu, you just need to do a combination of 3 of those buttons in a row 3 different times. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can do any of them you want. It doesn't matter. You'll hit delay start twice so you can get into the service tech mode. Go to number 4 for service diagnostics, and then 2 for component activation, and then you can activate any of the components on there. So I'll do motor fast agitate. It's not like you can hit that and have extra power, but it will agitate the clothes for about 10 minutes. And if you do that 3 or 4 times, your clothes will be plenty clean. And there you can also hear the clutch slipping. Sometimes it'll go on for a little bit longer than that. Anyway, it will agitate and wash the clothes. I'll show you what I do when it comes time to drain and rinse. Then after your 10 minutes is ended, it's probably just going to still say that it's scrubbing. What I like doing is open up the breaker box and just turning off the breaker and waiting for the capacitor to fully discharge and the unit just to shut off. Anytime now. Then I'll turn it back on. And 1 or 2 things happens. Either 1, it comes up with 3 zeros. That's probably what it's going to do. If it does that, it's going to start rotating really slowly and then going right back to agitating. And if not, then what it's going to do is it's going to give you some error about the power being off and you have to turn it on and back off, and then it's just going to be like normal and wait for you to start a wash. So then you just have to turn it off and then go back in through to the maintenance settings and select to do the cycle manually again. So like I said, I do that 3, 4 times and then I'll move on to trying to rinse it. Alright, so when you're ready to dump all the water out, then you can just hit the power button. And there it goes. Alright, after you fill it back up, then once again just get into the maintenance thing. And I'll do it like that and empty it, fill it up, and do it like this one more time. And then I'll drain it all out. Okay, so I got all the water drained out of it. Now I just need to get it to go spin cycle. Yeah, and I take my center cap off and spray water down in there in the agitator to keep it cleaned out. So I got this thing that was so gross looking. And it'll spin a lot faster than that. And once done doing that, I just throw it in the dryer. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my YouTube channel at patrickthebaptist.com. I've got all kinds of different videos categorized in different playlists so you can find what you're looking for. And also check out sharingthetruthinlove.com. I've got all kinds of different articles there. You can also read the King James Bible. Definitely check the tab out that says Salvation Through Jesus Christ. Learn how to be born again so that you're not a lost person. It's not just hell that the Lord will save you from, it's also the wrath of God and being saved out of all kinds of lies and deception in the life here and now. If I can help you out, just hit me up in the comments below or email me at patrick@patrickthebaptist.com. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and as always, I want to praise my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. May He richly bless and guide you all. Have a great day.